clutch, front brake, back brake. Yeah, what we on? Tires good, like new. It goes too. It goes. Got the key. Yeah, just letting it run. You know. Let the idle back down. Yeah, had to go to my stores, pick up this bike. Yeah, I probably saw it in one of my videos. In the investment video. Picked it up last year. It wasn't even running. I got it running and everything. Bike in good shape. I put it up for sale on the marketplace. Now I got a guy coming to check it out. It's a 125cc engine, 4-speed. Or 4 gears with the clutch, kickstart, bike like brand new. Got the key, but I do have a guy coming. Let's see how it be. I really don't like to post stuff for sale because some people want to, you know what I'm saying, don't want to give you what it's worth and all that. I gotta tell them it got a little old gas in it, so I'll run that gas out of there, but I'm glad I got the see-through bowl. Besides that, yes, pretty good shape. But when he get here, we'll see how it go. I'll let y'all know. Stay tuned. Mister got him looking. Yep, sold it. Going to a new owner. He locked and loaded. Everybody know what they come and get when they come to get it. It was very nice. Stay tuned for my next one. Yes, sir. Mister got him looking.
That's a nice little
Yeah.
bike.